So today we will see how to process the netcdf data. Any kind of netcdf data, we will see how to interpolate that. So for as of now, we will use the chirps rainfall data. That's annual data I have downloaded from that website. I will show you which website that is. Okay, just search here chirps rainfall data. Go to this web portal and you can download your rainfall data as daily, monthly, annual, any kind of data you can get it from here. That is rainfall data. So we will see at the end of this video we will learn how to process any kind of netcdf data. Okay, for that we will be using ArcGIS Pro. So open the ArcGIS Pro. So one project. For that thing, first you have to unzip this folder. If you have like these files in a zip folder, you first unzip that folder, and then what you have to do is go to map, and here you have to click on this add data, not here. In the drop down option, click here and select multi-dimensional raster layer. Okay, click on here and choose your file. Desktop, I have the folder here, so choose. Okay, this file you have to choose, and after choosing, you would look, your name is precip, so we have precipitation here. So if you have any different kind of data like temperature, it will show here, or maybe you will have a file that contains precipitation, temperature, and other parameters here. So whatever you need, just click and you will get that. So this data is having only precipitation, so I'm choosing that one, and all these things keep it as it is. So multi-dimensional raster will be that one. So then okay. So as you can see, this data is for all over the world. This is in if we see the projection system, maybe this in the geographic coordinate system, yes, WGS. So if you need whole country, then this is your extent. You know that this from here, whatever we can see in the window, that is our extent, sorry. So this extent is the main thing here, you have to remember. So if you need whole India, then just keep whole India in the extent. And if you need any specific area, like I will be showing a specific small area. So for me, I am having a study area of like Kerala somewhere. So you can add that that your study area shape file or boundary file. So you can have that one. I will add my study area. So yeah. So as you can see, this is my study area. I will put it as follow. Okay, fine. Now for this study area, this is my extent. Okay, for this extent, now your my extent is now set. Okay, as you can see. So now you will have to click on this layer, and you have to go to the imagery. Okay, then in the process, this process drop down menu, then click on the clip. What this will do, this will temporarily clip this extent layer only. not fully. If I zoom out, you can see, and if I turn off the previous full layer, this area is clipped now. Now we have this area, we can now reproject this raster as our projected coordinate system, because we have a specific area. For specific area, we for the calculation and other things we need projected coordinate system. So for that, first I will do project raster. For raster file, we do project raster, and for vector file projection, we use only project option. So for raster file, we will choose this. Now choose this clip 1 and set output. I will choose this desktop folder only, that checks. So clipped extend, okay, .tiff. Now we will save this as tiff. Now output coordinate system will be our this. I have my study area shapefile in code like projected coordinate system, so I can choose that file here. So it will like automatically get the projected coordinate system, or you can go to there. If you don't have the file, then you can go to there and you can go in the projected coordinate system, UTM WGS, as my area is in UTM 43N, so you can choose it from here like that. So anyway, you can go. For now we will keep these things as it is. So I will run this one. So the difference you can see, there is just small difference in pixels, you can see. Yes, this much difference is in for this area. So we have our projected raster file. Now what we have to do, we will search raster to point. Now we will have this clipped extent, and value will be the field, and output point feature, we will set the output file, our shape file, point file. So I will save it here. So rain point extent. So save. Now it will take the extension automatically. Now we will run it. You can see we have the points around our study area. So if you see the attribute table, we have a grid code. This is our values, okay, these are rainfall values. So now we will go, you can do different things, like you can clip these points to your this specific study area, or you can do that clipping thing while doing the IDW. Okay, we will go with IDW special analyst tool for rainfall mapping or interpolation. So we will choose this point extent, full point files. Then for Z value we will choose the grid code, and output raster I will choose output location files. That will be annual rain. Okay, .tiff. Now save it. And if you need a specific cell size, like if you are doing any analysis like flood analysis or anything like that, so you need your all the parameters and all the layers in similar cell size. For that you definitely have a reference file, I mean that which resolution you want in your all the layers. So if you have the same resolution file, any one file, so you can choose that file. For me, I will choose my DEM file because I am having 30 meter resolution data, so for all my parameters, and we will choose that. this file I am having as reference for all my cell size of all the layers and all the parameters. So I will choose that one, so it will be in this that resolution only. So after that, these things keep it at is it. So then environment, we will choose again the coordinate system as our study area, or you can just define it from here. And extent, I will choose study area again. For the cell size, okay, cell size we have already defined it here, so we don't have to define it again here. You can choose here from here also. And for this mask, this one is clipping, so we will choose the study area. So if you put this mask layer, this is our study area layer, so it will come only the rainfall map will come only inside this boundary, not outside. If you don't choose it and choose only extend, then it will come by like this extend only, this extend. So we will mask it along with this IDW. So all the things are ready now. Now we will run the layer. It will take some minute maybe. Yeah, so now we have our rainfall data. So that's it. You can, like, if you don't want to mask or anything, like directly you can run, and you can you can use extract by mask tool afterwards also to clip that your study area thing. So yes, this is the thing. That's all. This is how you do the interpolation of any NetCDF data. So I showed you the rainfall data. If you have any other kind of data like chemicals and other things, so you can do like this. So this is all. Thank you. See you again.